It's your girl Britt, aka RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching and coming through for your girl. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do a ring light. So I got one for Christmas. It's still in the package, and I want to show you guys how I built it. So stay tuned for that. So my husband bought it for me for Christmas. I've been begging him for a ring light forever, and God allowed him to buy me one. Glory, glory, glory. But yeah, so we're gonna build this thing and see how it goes. Okay, I know y'all miss me. Don't act like you didn't. Showing you guys the package of the ring light, and now I'm unboxing it, showing you parts of it. It has a stand, and the ring light actually comes with a bag. And now you see me opening up the bag and taking the ring light and other parts of it out. You see I'm putting the covers on top of the ring light. You see me open up this box. It got the cords, the other covers of the ring light, and also parts of it that can be like a camera stand and stuff like that. But right now you see I'm screwing in the cord and also attaching the plug-in of the cord. I'm getting the stand ready and set to go. And I'm putting the ring light on there, and all you gotta do is unscrew and screw it back on to make it tight. Okay, this is off. On, you can brighten it up, or you can turn it down. Off, or on, brighten, turn down. On, off. This is how I look with it off. So this is the plug-in. You screw this part in, and this is where you turn it on and off at. This how high you get, this how low you get, then this how high you get. Low, high. And this is what the stand look like. The stand can go up and down, but it's fine the level where it's at right now. And yeah, that's that. Let me know how y'all like the ring light on me. Is it too bright, you know what I'm saying? Is it too much? Like, should I let it go? Should I keep it? And yeah, let me know how y'all like it. Thank you guys for watching, coming through for your girl. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. And deuces! Bye-bye!